Hi guys, good morning. So today is 22nd of October 2018. So good morning to those traders in USA and good evening for those in Asia and London. So at this moment I'm shorting the market. So as you can see there's a purple triangle here. This remarks my entry. So I'm expecting for the price to go far below this level. So maybe within 2 hours time market will reach my TP area or maybe hit the stop loss here. So this is where I put my stop, so in case that the market did reversal. So at this moment there's minus floating in the account PNL, and it is minus 5 ticks, so minus 4 ticks. So let's wait and see for the next 30 minutes first. Will the direction go further down or make a reversal? So hopefully the market will go proceed to the downward movement. Yeah, so let's wait and see. I will pause this video and continue later once the market go to the direction. Okay guys, so market on the move. As we resume back this video, so market on the move after 5 minutes before 5 minutes after I made the last video. So we have to wait for maybe for another few more minutes to see the direction on the market, but I'm quite optimistic the market will reach around 68. Okay, the market jump at 68, 64 at this moment, so looks good. We have 300 in profit. Keep continuing down. So this will be a fast one. I think this will be a fast one. The best is to exit at this moment. The best is to exit. So I have Q at this one is stop. So now it's 330 in profit. Okay, 280. Okay, did the market try to reverse back? So let's wait and see. So there's a strong support level at 54. So now market at 68, 61. So I'm expecting for the market to reach. So let's clear up. Okay, as you can see here, at this moment the market is 68.57, profit 330 US dollar. So my target is once it's passed through this 68.54 should be the best place to exit the market. So let's take a look on the volume. So there's a large volume waiting at 65. So now it's going down. Maybe I will buy it on the market because I'm on short sell. Once it's reached 64, it's quite good. So there's also high volume waiting at 50, 68.50. Now 340 looks good on the profit. One is passed through 65, then I will exit my position. Hopefully the price will jump for breakout situation. So there's a breakout traders waiting somewhere here. Okay, now it's 400, looks good. Then I will close my positions. Okay, so for 110 US dollar in the profit, it's good. 68.50 is the my TP area just now, so you can see there's a triangle here. So this means I have entered my positions from here, then exit here. So it was a good profit of 410 US dollar. So For more videos, please subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.